Is your remote team constantly switching between tools just to get one thing
I
done?
can't keep up with this.
Whiteboards on one app, tasks on another, and meetings? Don't even get started. What if all of that could live in one visual collaborative space, powered by AI? Well, let me introduce you to Boardmix, the smarter way to collaborate. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into Boardmix. Not just any whiteboard tool, but a next-generation visual workspace powered by artificial intelligence. Whether you're managing remote teams, brainstorming startup ideas, designing a presentation, or sketching out creative concepts, Boardmix brings everything into one intelligent platform. And yes, it includes an AI assistant that can write, brainstorm, build, and even color your drawings for you. So let's break it all down. What it is, how to use it, the AI features, pricing, and whether it's really worth your time. Let's be real. Most remote teams still jump between 5 different apps just to get through a meeting. Boardmix puts everything into one AI-enhanced whiteboard where you can brainstorm and present ideas, assign and track tasks, host video calls, visually map workflows, and use AI to write, design, and organize content instantly. Whether you're a startup team, UX designer, content creator, educator, or even a solo freelancer, this tool can supercharge your productivity and creativity. Here's what you get inside Boardmix: infinite canvas drag, zoom, or pan. Structure your ideas freely with unlimited space for teams or solo projects. AI assistant integration, major upgrade. Boardmix recently upgraded its AI assistant with smarter diagram generation, enhanced language understanding, seamless whiteboard integration. Now it can chat, brainstorm, write, expand, or summarize text. Instantly turn notes into flowcharts, mind maps, task lists, or code. Fix grammar, translate languages, or organize thoughts. Generate ideas when you're stuck, like a creative teammate on demand. Let's imagine you're a UX designer preparing a new user journey flow for a mobile app launch. Instead of starting from scratch, just open a whiteboard, click the AI assistant, and enter. Create a user journey map for a fitness tracking app. Boom! Boardmix instantly generates a smart, editable journey map. From there, you can annotate key user actions, add sticky notes and wireframe sketches, assign team members to specific touchpoints, and even jump on a live video call without leaving the board. It's a total game changer for design thinking and agile teams. Here's what else makes Boardmix powerful: flowchart creation. Manually drag in flow shapes from the left sidebar or just ask AI to create one. From business logic to app flows to ER diagrams. Sketch coloring with AI upload a line drawing. Choose a style like anime, realistic render, oil painting, or 3D, and let Boardmix color it for you automatically. This is perfect for product mockups, illustrations, or creative concepts. Kanban boards and task management. Visually manage tasks with cards, labels, and tags, built directly into your workspace. Chat, comments, and emojis. No need for Slack. Communicate live, tag teammates, leave comments tied to elements, and react with fun emojis. Video presentation mode. Guide your team like a slideshow. Everyone follows your screen in real time, great for workshops and demos. Upload and embed anything import. PDFs, images, videos, and embed full websites with interactive previews right inside the board. Resource library access stickers, images, and community-made components, or save your own for future use. Folder and team organization. Use multi-level folders and manage permissions across individual and enterprise-level teams. Extras timers, voting tools, penbox, roadmap lists, templates. Everything you need to plan, ideate, or deliver. Boardmix also includes robust features for teams and organizations. Member and permission management. Asset handover when employees leave. Audit logs. Private deployment and encryption. Dedicated support and onboarding. Whether you're a freelancer or managing a 100-plus person agency, it scales with you. Here's the best part. No expensive subscriptions. Boardmix now offers a special lifetime plan starting at just $99 for individual users. That means full access to premium AI features, storage, and real-time collaboration, all for a one-time payment. So, check the official Boardmix site for the latest offer. Link is in the description. Compared to Miro, ClickUp, or Notion AI, it's an unbeatable deal. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial on specific Boardmix features. See you in the next video.